disking done. Got the wife and boy going fertilizer hopper for the old man so he doesn't have to do it. Broke the planter yesterday. We got that fixed. Took a while. Power being out, it's hard to get the machine shop to get anything done. But I'm back to disking. The ground's kind of heavy, but it's drying off. It's right there. There's some wet spots. We're getting it done. Getting the weeds cut up. Rain moved up a day. It's supposed to rain tomorrow instead of Thursday. But see what we can get done.